Here we have an absolute value equations. And to solve for an absolute value equation, we need to set it up into two separate equations where we can solve for x independently. So for the first equation, I like to call it the original equations because we're not adding any negative outside the absolute. So we're just going to go ahead and copy down the same thing and replace the absolute with parentheses. And now from here, you can go ahead and solve for x. So we're going to add 2 on both sides. 2 cancel out. We end up with 4x equals 3. Divided by 4, x equals 3 over 4. And for the negative equations, we're going to put a negative outside 4x minus 2 equals 1. And you only adding the negative on one side of the equations, you don't add it to the other side. And now you're going to minus 4x and distribute it. Negative 1 times negative 2 is a positive 2 equals 1. You can go ahead and minus 2 on both sides. You end up with negative 4x equals negative 1. And you divide it by negative 4. And x equals 1/4.